Friends, let's unbox this. What a nice unboxing. So, as it see the quality, it's amazing. No plastic. No plastic. No plastic. Yeah, probably a rain cover. Keep it aside. No plastic. Something good. I think this is the shoulder strap. There's something more. Yeah, this is what I want. The seat mount for my bike, to mount this bike as a saddlebag on my bike. Is there something else? Yeah, there is something. So one more strap. Let's see what does the strap do, and let's check more compartments. More plastic. Probably thank you later from the Trip Machine. Yes, this is the Outlander saddlebag by Trip Machine, and you can see it's a very nice material, pure leather. A small zip to lock, but before that it's a closing mechanism like this with hard leather and flip over button. Let's see if our kitty likes it. Hey, the strap mounts. Seat mount, probably another one. Shoulder mounts. Yeah, handle. Very big. I don't know what this is for. Let's try.